it's me Mousree and welcome back to Code with Mousree. So after a long time I uploaded a video about Pictoblox. So this is Pictoblox, and I told you that I will post a video by 4 p.m. So yes, and so the project is about making a colorful tree in Pictoblox without any AI power. You can use in online. Pictoblox is also available in online, and yes, I'm using it in online. Well, so I think that it looks good, it looks cute quite. So let's see that how to make it, and it is just an animation about making a colorful tree or rainbow tree as you say in Pictoblox. So let's see the tutorial. Actually, the tutorial is very easy. Wow, it looks so beautiful, yeah? Actually, the tutorial is this. This is just useless. This is just a reminder, or you can do this as a reminder. So this is the script. I can zoom. This is the first script, and this is the second script, and these are the scripts. You can add on. No, this is not so necessary. You can exclude it. I'm excluding it right now. Yes, this is the main scripts. Only 2 scripts you need for only a beautiful game. Oh, sorry, not game. Animation in Pictoblox. It's so beautiful, and I didn't use any AI power, any connection, nothing. Just pen as usual in Scratch. Like guys, you can also make this in Scratch if you want. But the problem is that I don't know that if you get a saturation in Scratch or not. Yes, so this is your task to do that. Go to Scratch and see that if there is in pen saturation, like change pen saturation by 5. Well, I'm going to first. Okay guys, well, yes, saturation is there in also Scratch. So I will recommend you to do both in Scratch and Pictoblox. So it will be more beautiful to do, and Pictoblox is not just for small games or big games. It is just of AI, means artificial intelligence. So guys, I hope that you love the video. If you love the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I used point. This doesn't mean any point. It means go to x0 and y minus 150. The point is just for fun. You can add backdrops, and look, what can you do in Pictoblox? There is much more, and robots. You can make and robots, and the robots will be really beautiful and very intelligent. And yes, I'm going to add a backdrop if you want or not. Let me see. And the backdrops are just same like Scratch. Nothing is more or it's simple. But yes, not everything is same. Yes, I saw this maze. I think that you didn't saw a maze in Scratch, and I see that there is not too much. The school too, and these are some of it. I think I should choose blue sky too. It looks good. I think I also should try to make black backdrop. I think it will look good. Wow guys, it looks so beautiful. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share Code with Mousree, and I will upload another video after November 10th, as my exam will be there. So guys, bye bye, take care, see you later.